Hey, this is Cool Trains of Montreal. This is an O-scale third rail kind of display layout. It is the 2nd of November, 2024. We got Canadian Pacific. Neat little train coming around here. We got a Santa Fe Fairbanks Morse Trainmaster. I don't think Santa Fe actually had those, but it's nice looking. And I got here CSX. It looks like an SD60, I believe, or an SD50. I think SD50 actually. Kind of cool. This is more of a train-oriented display layout. There isn't any scenery, which is kind of a shame. I do like the scenery on these layouts. And these are O-scale cars. O-scale freight cars. Yeah, this is neat. It's a Canadian National caboose. Not quite a Point St. Charles caboose. It's basically a international caboose, painted CN. Looks like F7 A and B set. No, A units. And Bud cars, Bud coaches, with an observation car. And then let's have a look around here. The lighting isn't great for this layout either. They put this guy in the darkest corner. And this I've seen before. This is a flat. Let's have a look at the drum head there. It's a flat observation car. I believe this is a seaward coastline. And of course, this Canadian Pacific 1955 set. This would have been from the south of the United States. I'm not sure how accurate it is. Not sure if they had these kind of dome cars. These are smooth side cars, I believe. This one just says Seaboard, so this might have been before the Seaboard. Could have been Seaboard Airline maybe. Before Seaboard Airline merged with Seaboard Coastline. I think so. Anyway, very cool. And there's the second locomotive. Took it off for some reason. As you can see, it's in a gymnasium. This is only the train section. Lots of vendors here. But not many layouts to see, really. I'll probably only make one video out of this and walk around a bit. Here's another O-scale Canadian National. Looks like an SD70M-2 with sound. So he's got two SD70-2s. SD70M-2s. Alright, so let's look around here. This is HO scale stuff. Oh, look at that chassis system. I don't think they even had these cars, but they do look cool with the chassis paint scheme. These are O scale. I think that's what, KD, MKT? Here's another running, I believe, O scale or G scale. One of the larger scales. This is two rail track. Really nice. And they've got a steam locomotive too. And Amtrak Pepsi can locomotive. I forget what they call those. That's cool. Yeah, that's a Pepsi can -8. I like those Canadian Car and Foundry smooth side 1955 coaches in the olive green. Really cool. And this is cool here too. Little point-to-point layout. Some very interesting rolling stock here. That nice steam engine. Like the flashing sign, that's a nice touch. And I like the diner too, that's really cool. Very interesting. Very small layout. Very interesting that what you could do in a small space. It's a DCC controlled. It's got little digitracks here. Very interesting the way he put this together. Lots of track, but at the same time, not too full of tracks. And here it looks like it's the beginnings of a car float. It's small, or a dock. That's what it would be. It's a dock. Very cool. Not too big. It looks like maybe 1 foot by what, 16 feet? 2 feet by 16 feet? All right, let's see what else there is. Lots of starter sets. This is a good place to go if you want maybe a few pieces, or if you want to put together your own train set for like Christmas or something. Let's see what else there is. Large O-scale stuff. Second hand from what I see. Lots of truck models here. These are vintage toys. These are HO scale, probably used. All of it used. There's some older, those are like Bachmann ampli cars that have been painted into Via. There's an old CN scheme on that Bud RDC car. Oh yeah, this is cool. Again, they put them in bad lighting. So third rail O scale it looks like, and maybe G scale this SD40-2 in the BNSF orange, very handsome orange scheme. Let's see what we got. The CN GP40-2, it looks like, in zebra stripes. And it's kind of stopped, and it's got the sound. It's got a couple of these Bud 1955 era coaches. And here's a Canadian Pacific one. Looks like a GP9. And the old Canadian Pacific gray and maroon. With dynamic brakes, it's got that blister with the extra fan there. Very cool looking locomotive.
Je ne sais pas encore, parce que j'étais en train de parler avec eux. Moi, je regardais en faire venir, ça n'a pas d'allure. Ah non, non.
What we got here?
Non, même là, si t'en veux un, j'en ai un ici de 400. Mais c'est pas le prix, là, ça va être autour de ça, mettons, on va dire entre 325 et 400.
BNSF C44-9W. And a wrecking crane in Union Pacific with a Chicago and Northwestern caboose.
quand la douane ne va pas ici, ça, parce
More O scale stuff. There seems to be a lot of O scale stuff here. Oof, that's big. G scale, I suppose. That's cool. Much too big, though. I think I was here before. Little compressed ICE train. German high-speed train. Lots of books here. Little trucks. And scale stuff. And what we got over here? Yeah, a lot of books. Canadian Rail. Yeah, I used to get this magazine. My dad used to get this magazine. Alright, so I think I'll wrap this video up here. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Maybe you just have a little bit of a look around here. Don't think I was here before. These are all used for sure. But maybe you can get a good deal here sometimes.
La 141. Moi, elle m'intéresse pas tant parce qu'elle est en version moderne. Vu que tout le monde s'excitait là-dessus. Et ouais, ça donne folie, il y a pas rapport.
Mais ça, là, je vais te dire une chose, c'est que ça va être vendu dans le temps de vie. C'est comme les 241A. Les 241A, ça a été vendu dans le temps de vie. Donc, non, c'est vraiment impressionnant. Non, moi, j'adore.
More O-scale stuff. Looks like some cheesy toys. Not interesting to me, but perhaps to other people. I like these trucks in these cases. Kind of cool. And we'll just look over here quickly. And then I'll wrap it up. Ooh, that's nice. It's a brass steam locomotive. Probably very expensive. They usually are. Sioux line. That's kind of cool. Hopper cars and Herman cabooses. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah. Well, this is what I want to see. Neat. AMT. It comes in a set. These are all Rapido trains, I think. Look at that. The old Home Hardware. Back when the era was, when Via Rail was making their F40 PHs like big billboards. So you could see some different ones there. This I have in N scale actually. Okay. These are all HO. Oh, look at that. The Genesee in Wyoming. SD45. Nice. And here you have a train set. Adhern train set. Alright, so this is the video then. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Saying goodbye from the 2024 November 2nd, 2024 Salon Du Hobby here in Laval. Have a good day.